Hi and welcome with us to Learn With Us How. I hope you guys would enjoy this video and our videos. This is our YouTube channel. It's new, but we'll try our best to record everything to teach you how to do things as we learn. So today we will explain how you can add someone to your page, to your Facebook page as an editor, admin, or whatever you want to add, or as an advertiser. It's an easy step, so I'll go ahead and explain. First of all, as a Facebook manager, it's good if you're using your phone. If you're using your phone, you can download an application that's specifically for Facebook pages. So we will go ahead. So this one here, as you see, Facebook page, that's like an admin for your Facebook pages. So you click on that. Either you do it from the phone or you can do it from your browser on the computer. You go to Facebook, you go to Facebook page, and you can do the same steps. So we'll go ahead and click on this. So this is our Facebook page as an example on Facebook. So it doesn't have a lot of likes, but we hope that you guys can like it and share all our videos inside it. So what you can do to add a person is at the end, at the right hand side below, you will see a bag. So you click on that, as you can see it here, and then you'll have this page opened. So you go to settings, and then on settings you can have everything, all the admin access on your page. So you go to edit page roles, this one here, click on it, and then you can add a person. At the top you see add a person to a page. Click on that, and then you put your own password, and then click continue. So let's say go ahead and add page. I'll just put my password. So let's see, I'll give an example. I'll just remove the King Adil account here. Just remove it here, and then I'll add person to a page. So add a person to a page. So click the account you want to add. So let's say for this account, we use this for marketing purpose. And then here you see, you can add the person as an admin, as an editor, moderator, advertiser, analyst. So let's say if I need to give an access to this account as an editor, I just click add, and this person will receive an invitation to invite that person to be an editor of this Facebook page. By this step, it shows you how to add a person easily to your Facebook page as an admin or whatever. All right, thank you very much for watching our video. I hope this video will be beneficial for you guys. Please like our page, also like our YouTube channel and share it. And we would always add new things of how to. So you can learn with us how to. Thank you very much.